with the Infinity lights. Going from 4 to 12, you're able to create these experiences that maybe they didn't have or their neighbors didn't have. And it's really cool that you can do something above and beyond for these clients that want those type of things.
Definitely from a replacement perspective, and just the ease of switching them out as opposed to having to pull the light. So that's going to be really nice.
I'm excited about the lights. That's an amazing feature.
Like with the lighting, you're going to be able to have more schedules.
Removing a lot of the limitations on zones for lights.
It'll be nice to be able to just undo a pigtail and plug a new one in without having to replace the cord. Super excited about that.
The guys don't have to run a whole entire new cable. It probably even bring down the cost, time and cost for the client. So that's one of my favorite features.
I mean, there are some you're using your whole body's force to try and pull that light out. And now with the disconnect right on the back side, I mean, it's pretty well seamless.
The plug and play functionality is unparalleled.
It's definitely technology that the industry needs.
Really excited to get this on board. I think it's going to be huge in the industry.